Okay, got the GEN concrete remover. We're gonna see how this stuff works and check it out on the old pump. We'll try it on something easy like my pump remote first. And then we're gonna clean this whole girl. Got a little bit of buildup. Had a hot load for the last load of the day. Pretty dirty. Not too dirty though. Try and get it going good. Let's see what happens. Got a couple little abrasives here. One's a wire and one's a plastic. We're still in our soaking period though. I pledge allegiance to the flag getting it on my hands a little bit, and it's not burning. It's getting pretty clean. We aren't even at the 10-minute mark yet. You guys seen that chunk of concrete at the beginning of the video? It's almost gone. You guys remember what the remote looked like before? There it is now.